Hey everybody, welcome to my YouTube video on how to install a pressure reducing valve in ground. There are multiple videos out there to show you how to install a pressure reducing valve, but all of those are above ground, but there's none that show you how to install one below ground. So that's what my YouTube video is for. So first thing is the part, pressure reducing valve itself. Part number, this is made by Cash Acme. You can purchase from your local hardware store, but most likely you have to order online. This is what it is. This is a 3/4 300 max psi that will reduce your water pressure anywhere from 20 to 90 psi. Currently, my water pressure is 180 psi, which is really extremely too high for my household. So I'm going to install this little thing. So Sharkbites. These are Sharkbites. Again, my setup is I have PEX pipes installed in my house. So you're gonna need what's called 3/4 male adapters for PEX pipe specific. If you have black pipes, PVC, or copper, you're gonna have, that's a different setup, and you might have to talk to your local HVAC guy or local plumber to figure out what you need to install. But my house is PEX pipe, and these are the parts I need. All right. So very simple. You take your male. Don't forget to install your plumbing tape on each side. All right. Once everything's connected, that's what it looks like. This is going to go below ground. This is going to install maybe an inch, maybe less than 6 inches away from my water meter. All right, below ground. Once I get everything nice installed, I'm gonna put in a nice box, a water meter box or a landscaping box, and cover it with dirt. There is the PEX pipe, the blue PEX pipe exposed. We're gonna make a cut there and run the line. So as you see, I had to dig out a nice little hole. I'm not sure how many inches deep, but you have to go as far as you can to get it exposed. And as I said, it has to be as close to the water meter as possible. Be careful about any wires, any cable lines, any power lines, anything that's dug in the ground that's close to near where your water meter and your water line and where you want to install your pressure relief valve. So the next time you see me, I will be cutting up the pipe, and so we can get it started. All right, so hold on. Pretty much the best I'm gonna get from an eyeball view, but for now I'm gonna fill in Once you're done connecting the pressure relief valve, you want to open the water meter up halfway to check for any leaks. If you do not have any leaks, then you can open the water line full and start backfilling.